meeting was towards the end of the month, Susan would lose sleep since the beginning of that month, because I need to pick up a topic that A, is relevant, current. It's what is making him, irritated. So I used to go around asking and saying, where's he going? What's he doing? Who's he seeing? Although I didn't really want to know the topics. But so, for example, if I knew my the CEO was traveling to a country, for example, that specific CEO was making a trip to Eastern Europe. So then I home into that country and say, right, maybe I could prepare a country risk analysis for him, pre or post his visit. It doesn't matter. I've brought that to his attention. And maybe I could do, if it's a country that's developing, maybe I could share with him a model that we introduced, which is called enhanced risk parity.